Empower your business with lean manufacturing tools. Streamline, optimize, and excel. Greetings from Everyday GMP. I am your presenter from Everyday GMP. This is series of video. We will discuss all the lean manufacturing tools. In this series we will discuss more than 30 lean manufacturing tools. In this video we will cover few lean tools like PDCA, plan, do, check, act, Poka Yoke, error proofing, root cause analysis and single minute exchange of die. Link of other videos are in the description. Further tools are covered in other videos series of lean manufacturing tools video number 6. Keep watching all videos, so let's start. Uncover secrets to success. Mastering lean manufacturing. Revolutionize your business. Dive into lean manufacturing excellence. Lean manufacturing unleashed. Your gateway to efficiency. Boost productivity. Cut waste. The lean manufacturing revolution. Discover lean, transforming businesses, one method at a time. Elevate your enterprise. Mastering lean manufacturing tactics. Unlock efficiency. The lean manufacturing journey begins. From waste to wealth. Navigating the lean manufacturing landscape. Lean manufacturing is a systematic approach to optimizing processes and eliminating waste. Empower your business with lean manufacturing tools. Streamline, optimize, and excel. And much so. Let's start to the main presentation. PDCA, plan, do, check, and act. PDCA, where ideas take flight, results ignite. PDCA, building tomorrow, today. The PDCA cycle, also known as the Deming cycle or plan, do, check, act cycle, is a fundamental concept in lean management and continuous improvement methodologies. It provides a systematic approach for organizations to achieve continuous improvement in their processes, products, or services. Here's what each step of the PDCA cycle entails. Benefits of PDCA lean manufacturing tool. Continuous process improvement, waste reduction, enhanced quality control, increased efficiency, standardized procedures, employee empowerment, cost savings, better problem solving, data-driven decision-making, streamlined production processes. The PDCA cycle, or plan, do, check, act cycle, is a systematic 4-step method in lean management. It starts with planning a change, implementing it, DO, evaluating the results, check, and acting based on those results. If successful, the changes become the new standard. If not, the process is adjusted and the cycle repeats, fostering continuous improvement within organizations. Poka Yoke, mistakes out, excellence in. Poka Yoke, error proofing. Poka Yoke, in lean manufacturing, refers to error proofing techniques designed to prevent mistakes and defects before they occur. By employing simple yet effective mechanisms and processes, Poka Yoke ensures quality, reduces waste, and enhances overall efficiency in production. Using the wrong parts, incorrect assembly, wrong measurements, damaged products. Example is cut in mobile phone SIM card, cut side will be inserted accordingly. Benefit of Poka Yoke in lean manufacturing: error prevention, enhanced quality, reduced waste, increased efficiency, improved productivity, worker empowerment, lower costs, higher customer satisfaction, compliance and standardization, innovation stimulus. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay. If you have any questions or want to share your journey, leave a comment below. Root cause analysis, RCA, dig deeper, resolve smarter. Root cause analysis unleashed. Root cause analysis, RCA, is a process of identifying the underlying factors that contributed to an event or problem by identifying and eliminating the root causes of problems. RCA can help to improve quality, reduce costs, improve safety, and increase customer satisfaction. Root cause analysis, RCA, in lean manufacturing is a systematic approach used to identify the underlying reasons for problems and defects within processes. It aims to go beyond addressing surface-level issues and instead focuses on finding the fundamental cause of a problem. In the context of lean manufacturing, RCA is crucial for continuous improvement and waste reduction. Benefits of RCA prevents recurrence, waste reduction, enhanced quality, data-driven decision-making, improved problem-solving skills, increased productivity, higher customer satisfaction, cost savings, better process understanding, continuous improvement. Single minute exchange of die. Minutes matter. SMED. Revolutionizes efficiency. Single minute exchange of die, SMED, is a lean manufacturing methodology aimed at minimizing the time it takes to switch equipment setups. By analyzing and optimizing changeover processes, SMED reduces downtime, allowing for faster transitions between different production runs. This efficiency improvement enhances flexibility, responsiveness to customer demands, and overall productivity within manufacturing operations. Benefits: minimized downtime, increased productivity, improved flexibility, enhanced responsiveness, reduced inventory, lowered production costs, streamlined changeovers, boosted efficiency, higher equipment utilization, better customer satisfaction. That's all for today's video on lean manufacturing tools. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay. If you have any questions or want to share your journey, leave a comment below. Until next time, keep dreaming big and reaching for your goals.